Using now, at the moment, currently, and today in present continuous tense. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're focusing on the present continuous tense, specifically, how we use now, at the moment, currently, and today as time expressions. These phrases help to express the ongoing nature of actions and events in this tense. Let's dive in. The present continuous tense describes actions that are happening right now or around now. It is formed using the subject plus am, is, are, plus verb ing. For example, I am studying English. These expressions emphasize that the action is happening at this very moment. 1. Now, I am reading a book now. 2. At the moment, she is sleeping at the moment. 3. Currently, they are currently working on the project. While today may seem like a simple word, it can imply a longer period than now, at the moment, and currently. Today could mean this morning, this afternoon, or this evening. It's flexible. For example, I am meeting my friend today. This indicates the event is happening at some point during the day, but not necessarily right this second. Remember, the present continuous tense with these time expressions is used for temporary situations, not permanent ones. We wouldn't say, I am living in New York now, if we intend to stay in New York for life. For permanent situations, we use the simple present tense. I live in New York. Well, that's all for today's lesson on using now, at the moment, currently, and today in present continuous tense. We hope this helps clarify how to use these time expressions. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every step counts. Keep practicing, and you'll get the hang of it. Stay curious, keep learning, and we'll see you in our next video.